Let's learn and have fun.
Adventures on the way. Firefighter fins, let's begin. Everyone's a helper. Firefighter fins, fun adventures. Sliding, sliding, fix
A family needs our help with something new. Not a fire, Sparky. A move. Let's go help them, buddy. Hey, you must be Leo. I'm Firefighter Finn. We're here to help. Hi. I don't want to move. This is my house. My room is in there. My whole life is in there. Tell me about your room.
We brought the good tea! And a labeling system. Every box will know exactly where it belongs.
They brought tape. Did he just shake my hand? Arf! Here's the deal, Leo. Moving is one of the biggest things a kid can go through. But the fire safety team doesn't leave anyone behind. We're doing this together.
Okay.
I don't even know where to start. There's so much. Every big job starts with one box. Just one. What matters most to you in this room? These go first. They have to be with me in the car, not in the truck. Then they ride with you. Absolutely. Let's find them a safe box.
This is the best part of moving. Huh? Blue tape means fragile. Green means Leo's stuff goes in his new room. Red means kitchen. Simple. Everything is a system if you think about it, right?
I drew this when I was 4. This was my house. It still is your drawing. You can hang it in your new room the first day you get there. Finn, is it baby stuff to feel sad about moving? Feel be stuff at all. Even sad means cry when they may leave a place they love. This is my last breakfast here, Sparky. It looks so small without my stuff in it. Your stuff didn't make it big, Leo. You did.
Did you have good times out there?
Yeah, a lot of them.
Then you get to keep all of those. They come with you. Bye, Mr. Alvarez.
You come back and visit, yes? Anytime.
That's the kind of neighbor you'll be in your new place, too. You'll see. That truck is as big as a whole house. Naturally, one box at a time. That's how you do any big job. One box at a time.
I've got this.
Do you want help?
Absolutely not.
You found Mr. Trex Jr. Good boy, Sparky. Really good boy.
Goodbye, house.
Ready?
Yeah, ready.
I'm bringing you guys. You're seeing the whole thing.
Leo, rainbow, look.
Whoa. That's the sky saying good luck.
First, find your room. Second, put Mr. Trex Jr. on the windowsill so you can see him right away. Third, hang the drawing, in that order.
That actually makes me less scared.
Hello? Hello? Leo, the house talks back.
Boys, good thing. The tree is right there. I can see the whole yard. First good thing. Every new place has first good things. We're going to find yours. Great. What else? The echo. He's already home. goes first?
T-Rex always goes first. He protects the rest.
Obviously.
There, a piece of your old life on your new wall.
It looks right here. Sparky. Everything sounds different here at night.
Settled sigh of solidarity. Everything is different. The shadows.
Brave people feel that too, you know. Brave just means you do the thing anyway. What if nobody on this street wants to be friends?
What if somebody does and you never find out? Because you stayed on the porch. She's waving at you. Maybe she's waving at someone else.
Leo, wave back.
Oh no, she's coming over. One deep breath. Be brave. I'm Mia. I've been watching the moving truck all morning. Did you bring a Dalmatian? A firefighter? Your house is already the coolest one on the street.
Tomorrow is the new school, Sparky. What's the scariest part about tomorrow?
I know, that's the hardest part.
But every friend you'll ever make starts with someone talking first.
You are going to walk into that school like you have always gone there. Head up, smile on. Sparky would go in like that. Sparky is a confident dog. There's a difference. Big breath.
You've done hard things before.
I helped carry all those boxes.
Exactly. You can do this. Room 12. Hotel. 12. Okay. This is my desk now. Okay.
Is that a Stegosaurus?
Triceratops.
I have a whole dinosaur poster at home. Which one is your favorite?
T-Rex. Obviously.
We need one more for tag. You're it!
Wait, I didn't agree to... And she has a full dinosaur poster at home. The big kind. And she says there's a nature exhibit at the library next week with a real fossil. So you were nervous for how many seconds?
So, do you like the new house yet?
Yeah, I think I actually do.
Noted.
Dear old house, thank you for being home. I didn't want to leave, but I think the new place is going to be good too. I'm okay. That's one of the bravest things I've heard all week. The whole time you thought you weren't ready. But look at you. You packed the boxes, you said goodbye, you walked through that school gate, you made a friend. I was still scared. Hey, if you're moving to a new house and some of those feelings are in your chest, the big ones, the sad ones, the scary ones, that's okay. Tell a grown-up, a parent, a teacher, they'll all buy you trust. Every time.
If you know a kid who is moving to a new house, send them this video. It helps. It really, really helps. And if you want more adventures with the fire safety team, subscribe. We will be right here.
Firefighter Finn, brave and true, keeping us safe is what he'll do. With Sparky, Juliet, and Lily too. Safety and fun for me and you.
Moving day is hard, but you are braver than you think, and you don't have to do it alone.
The fire safety team helped me. They can help you too. See you next time.